The world-unique Sennamed Clinic of Integrative Medicine is waiting for you for integrated treatment, combining the methods of treatment using modern official and Islamic medicine. Sennamed Clinic treats many diseases by ensuring harmony of the soul and body. Thousands of patients have found relief from their diseases in Sennamed Clinic of Integrative Medicine during the course of its existence for more than 10 years. The clinic has all the conditions for the integrated treatment of patients. Everyone knows that the cause of many diseases is a violation of the psycho-emotional state. Therefore, the use of reading the Quran along with medicinal plants derived from Islamic medicine provides with a positive result. In Sennamed Clinic of Integrative Medicine, you will be served by a highly qualified and experienced doctors, educated readers of the Quran and friendly personnel. The chief physician of the clinic is a doctor of medical sciences, professor, famous surgeon, Ömerbekov Talant Oroskulovich. He also runs a center of therapeutic fasting, where treatment according to unique method leads not only to getting rid of excess weight, but also by cleaning and rejuvenating, improves the psycho-emotional state of every patient. In the clinic you will be provided with services by such doctors as follows: therapist, gynecologist, urologist, cosmetologist, dermatologist, otolaryngologist, dentist, and surgeon. The clinic also has a physiotherapy, a laboratory, massage, physical therapy, a treatment room, and a salt mine. The clinic's products used in the treatment of its patients are made from high-quality raw materials and have a declaration of conformity. Hijama is also highly effective. It is a method of bloodletting treatment, which is performed by professional specialists with medical education in accordance with all sanitary norms and regulations. As a result of the guidance given along with the treatment, many patients have returned to the true path. Due to the fact that the method of treatment of Sennamed Clinic of Integrative Medicine is integrated one, at the present time it is in great demand. The modern branches of the clinic that are equipped using up-to-date technologies are open to the public in Osh City and in Sokoluk region. And this is not the limit. Due to the fact there are a lot of requests from our citizens, Sennamed Clinic plans to open branches in all the regions of the country and even abroad. The clinic also pays attention to personal training. For this purpose, Sennamed Academy was founded, which operates on the basis of license issued by the Ministry of Education and Science of the Kyrgyz Republic. The founder of this unique clinic is Urkumbayev Shailobek Duyshenovich, the one who is familiar to most of our citizens. At some point, he received education as a pharmacist in Kharkov city. During the course of his career, he held senior positions, starting from the Department of Medicines and up to the office of the President of the Kyrgyz Republic. Having extensive experience and a decent education, Sennamed Clinic of Integrative Medicine, founded by him, won over a short period of time the hearts of its patients who found healing in this clinic. Dear friends, Sennamed Clinic of Integrative Medicine is always on guard of health care and is ready to help you anytime.